So we're going to mark on this t-shirt with the xTool F2 Ultra UV. And you can see there's already a mark on it. That's my logo from about a year ago, maybe a little more, that I done with a diode laser. And it's actually held up pretty good. I have a few others that did not fare as well. So we're going to hop into xTool Studio and see what settings they recommend and see if we can refresh this logo and make this look a little better. All right, let's do it. You can see the mark left behind a little better by the diode laser. And like I said, that was a year or more ago, and it has held up pretty good. But we're going to see if we can give it a makeover. We'll re-import that that same logo I originally created in Lightburn. Line it up as best we can. Then we'll go up to unknown material, see if we can find a fabric setting. Let's see. Looks like we got some denim. That might be a little harsh, but we may have to try it. Let's see what else I got. Eco-friendly notebook, whatever that is. Let's give that one a try. Just apply it, and there appears to be no setting. So let's go back and try something else. Let's try this black denim. We got something. I guess that's what we're going to have to go with. So we got a power of 80, a speed of 900, and lines per centimeter 120, frequency 40. This is my first time doing fabric on the xTool F2 Ultra UV, but we're going to hit it and see what we can get out of it. All right, we'll do it. Okay, so it's pretty clear that the enclosure is not going to close all the way. So be sure to use your eye protection. Let's see what we got. And that don't look half bad for a redo. It lined up pretty good. Hopefully that's showing good. So we did use the black denim settings in xTool Studio, and I think it worked out well. Hey, if you're working with any fabrics with this laser, or any laser for that matter, how about drop it in the comments and let me know how it's going for you. I'm always looking to learn, and I'm always looking to share what I learn with other folks. So I appreciate you folks watching, and appreciate it if you come back and check for new videos. Always dropping videos, and it helps the channel out when you watch them. All right, take care folks. We'll see y'all next time.